First race of the season. Let's aim to progress our way up to the top by end of this season. Lights out and away we go. It looks like a really good launch off the line, and we already are two places up to P17, P18, and I guess we will be P17 now. That was a really clean turn one and turn two. It looks like we are safe for now in P17. Can we take another position now? No, it does not look like that. Oh, okay, that was very close, but I guess we have saved ourselves by being on the outside. And we have a good exit, and here we are, P16, another position. Let's go. Can we overtake our teammate Ollie Behrman? I guess we can turn on the DRS and try to go on the inside.
You might experience some understeer now
Yeah,
that you're
we
in the
do.
wake of
We
the
have a
car
late
ahead. Try
lunge
to get
now,
past as
and
soon as
we have a
possible.
position P15. But oh no, this was an unexpected turn that we had. We have to start all over again. We are P20. Let's try to catch up the car in front of us, who are 2.5 seconds ahead of us. And this was out of
Okay,
control,
mate, we
and
might
we
need to look at
are.
a new race strategy after that. I've got some options for you, so go and check your MFD. Okay,
And
the
we
safety
have
car is
damaged
out.
our
Safety
car
car
now,
is
so I
out.
guess
We need to
it's
form
safety
up at
car,
reduced
safety car,
pace.
safety
Keep a
car.
close
We've
eye on
got
that delta
damage.
time. Make sure to keep it positive.
In the pits we
Got that
go.
confirmed.
Hopefully.
The pit box is currently full. Stay out on track.
Okay,
Stay out.
well, Mr. Engineer, I think I would still come in for a cheap pit stop. Since it's safety car, I don't mind waiting a couple of seconds behind our teammate in the pits. And it looks like it was not even a second, to be honest. So I think that was a really good decision from our side. Let's try
Right,
to
let's
make
go.
the
Come on.
best
That
of
was a
restart.
fantastic.
And safety car in this lap, safety car in this lap. Let's try to have a really good exit down straight one. And remember, no overtaking until the start finish line. That's a very poor exit on the pit straight. That will keep us behind Alonso for a couple of turns at least, because he's quite ahead.
Right, the gap to the
We have to
teammate
make
ahead of
some
us.
really brave lunges
4.4
on,
seconds.
or we have to be really late on the brakes in order to close the gap to
Green
Alonso quite
flag.
soon. Otherwise, we are going to lose him. We have managed to bring it down to 7 tenths now.
Okay, mate. After that front wing
That
damage, we've got to
was
look after it now.
quite close to
Please
the wall.
protect the
Did we
front wing.
kiss?
Come on.
We really don't know. Let's try another lap. We are very close to Alonso and Colapinto right now. Can we make it two in a turn? It's quite possible, I guess. We have DRS as well. We will try to deploy some battery energy, and we try to go on the inside. Yes, we can, but no. Okay, Alonso has taken the path from outside, and we have been hit with a
Okay, we've been given a
3-second
time
penalty
penalty.
for
It will
cutting
go
the
against
corner,
our
which
finishing
is.
time at the end of the race. Get your
Do
head
you
down
think
and
it's my fault? Let me know in the comments. And we are P16 now behind Alonso, and I guess we will use the trick that he used to overtake from the outside to be on the safe side and not get a penalty again. And we are P15 now. Let's bring it home. Let's catch the next car, Andrea Kimi Antonelli. And here we are on the same straight again, and it looks like it will go into the next DRS zone. But it was very close, and thank God we did not get any damage. Let's try to get it on the inside with a late lunge. Okay, but now this was not possible. Let's try it the next lap again. And we couldn't manage on the first DRS, so now we are here on the second DRS. Let's try to get a late lunge on Antonelli, and here we are. We are P14 now. That's a really good recovery from P20 with the safety car. And we have Ollie Behrman, and we have contact here. We have damaged our front wing on the
mind that
left
front
side,
wing. It's going to need
and
replacing
uh,
if it takes too much damage.
and hopefully we did not incur a big damage in order to give us a very big aerodynamic loss that will hurt us really bad. And let's try to get our teammate on the second DRS. I think it's our favorite spot this weekend for overtakes. Let's try to go on the inside and not try to repeat the mistake that was done on lap 1. Ah, that's very close, but that was very brave from me, I guess. And now we are P13, and I can already smell that we can get some points. We have P10, P11, and P12 in front of us. They are really very close, and we have quite a few laps to overtake them. Our car is already slipping away because of all the front wing damage that we have. It's not that good, but I can still feel some discomfort. Let's try to get a late lunge on the inside and see if that would work. No,
Okay,
no,
mate.
damage,
Engine's running
damage.
too hot. Engine is
The
running
AI
too
doesn't
hot.
seem to
Let's keep it
leave
a bit
me.
cooler
It's
for now,
just trying to
please.
push me off the track, and we have a really bad situation with the under tray, which will hurt us really bad in the entirety of the race. And Science was trying to overtake us, but I guess we saved ourselves really well on this turn at least, and probably also on this lap, but not for too long since we have really big damages. Don't want to end up losing T11 after all the effort,
The underbody's incurred critical
but it
damage at
looks
this
like
point.
we will be overtaken, and we are now overtaken by Science, and we are P12 already. Oh, no grip, no grip. Let's try to manage for a few laps, and we have at least managed to damage our wings, which is not good for us. It's front right now, which is orange in color. Our under tray or underbody, which is orange in color. So we have to be really careful, really slow here on this turn to not
Okay, you
damage
have
our
some
car
front
any
wing
further.
damage, but not enough to justify stopping for
But
a remaining laps.
I see some really bad news running behind us. So it's three cars running very close, and okay, we are P13 already. We will be P14 now, and I guess it will be P15 before the end of this turn, which is not something that we really wanted. Just a matter of time, and I guess we will be overtaken by the other two cars
Tyre
behind
conditions
us.
still looking good.
We saved somehow ourselves at least for most of this lap, but I don't think on the main straight I will be able to save the car anymore because it's in really bad shape, and I have to slow down in order to get the car or keep the car on track. And that is going to hurt us a lot, and I guess we will end up being P17 now. By the end of this turn, the cars are really close, and if we can see this,
Yes,
Stroll
mate, we
and
hit the
now
target. Nice work.
Colapinto has overtook us, and this is not, let's say, the results that we expected. After some really good overtakes and really silly mistakes that we did with multiple damages, here we are with the result P18, or sorry, P17 that we never expected.
Okay, pick up rubber
But
and bring it
every
home.
race is a new learning, and I will keep my head down and brace up for the next weekend, that is China, which is also special because it's a sprint weekend, so we will have two chances to get some points.
And an award-winning day for Oscar Piastri. Well, that was certainly an exciting weekend of Formula One. Be sure to join us for more exciting Formula One action very